How to uninstall Wire Messenger application from your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and want to uninstall the app from your device, then it is super easy. Go ahead and scroll through your app drawers and look for the Wire Messenger app or the Wire app. Press and hold the Wire Messenger app icon and in the pop-up, select Remove App or Uninstall button. In the pop-up, confirm by tapping on Delete App. Click Delete once again if prompted, and you will be able to see the Wire Messenger app removed from your device. So that's how you successfully uninstall Wire Messenger from your smartphone or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.